Welcome to AMB Comics Podcast Show. In today's episode, we will know the origin of a cosmic entity, the protector of the 0120 universe, named the Cosmic Animator. First, his origin started millions of years ago, after the cosmic war and conflict between all the cosmic entities. The All Things, who is the supreme being in AMB Comics, divided the one main universe into infinite universes, making it an omniverse. Then the All Things gave each cosmic entity one universe to rule in order to end the war. The Cosmic Animator were given Universe 0120 to rule. The cosmic entity was born from a sea of darkness, but he soon grew to become a mighty godlike being. He fought for many years against many other cosmic enemies until he finally defeated them all with his powerful pair of fists known as Cosmic Hands. His powers are so strong that he can control time itself and even create new universes out of nothingness if needed by his master. He is also capable of teleportation, which allow
him to travel through space and time instantly without any obstacles whatsoever, present on any given area or planet at any given moment throughout history, until such time as someone or something else comes along and tries doing something similar. Only then will they find themselves. The Cosmic Animator takes the DNA from billions of living beings on Earth and combines it with other planets' DNA to create new life forms. Secondly, what is his plan? The Cosmic Animator main plan is to rule his universe in a balanced way, as all things should be. He wants everyone to feel well and perfect in any way. Until recently, he decided to create a diversion of two separate individuals with good and evil. That's when he gave some of his people superhuman abilities. Some got knowledge of magic, while some got world science knowledge, and then some got supernatural powers like lightning and fire abilities. He has decided to create a team of superheroes that can help him fight crime by
stopping criminals before they can do any harm. The new superhero team will be called the Cosmic Animator's Champions. Third, what is his purpose in his universe? The Cosmic Animator. Main purpose in his universe is nothing but to take equal good care of his people and always make a good choice for his people. He once faced a problem that he himself can't handle, and it is his fault. Some of his people that possess his power get out of hand and can't be controlled by the Cosmic Animator himself, so he made a choice of getting avatars that can help him restore peace in his universe. The Cosmic Animator famous avatars are Strike and Special Man. They got Thea's superpowers from him. The Cosmic Animator is a very powerful being who has been planning to taking over the Toon universe for many centuries. But now he needs someone who can help him restore peace in his universe again. That's why he chose to get avatars like Strike and Special Man who will help him with this task.
Conclusion. The Cosmic Animator represents the people of his universe as Their dreams. He is the one who animates them and gives them life purpose. He makes sure that they fulfill Their true desires, and he also protects them from all evil forces. He has always been there for his people, and he will continue to be there for them as long as he lives. He is not evil in any way throughout his life journey. The Cosmic Animator will make his first appearance in AMB Studios' The Dream Battlefield series, which will start streaming on the 4th of August, 2023.
See you next week on new episode of AMB Comics Podcast Show. Don't forget to join our YouTube channel memberships so that you will have access to our comic stories and more perks. The link is in the description down below. And also, you can visit our online store to purchase any kind clothing product merch you desire. The link also is in the description. Thank you.